Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to transfer Google Business Profile to another account in 2025. So without any further ado, let's dive into this quick tutorial. So here into the search panel, you just need to be searching My Business, where actually you can see it. Once you search it, you will get your business profile over that place. So here actually you just need to be click on view profile options. Once you click over here, then you will get to show this kind of an interface here. So then you just need to be click over that three dot button. Once you click over here, then you will get bunch of options. As you can see, this is shortest pop-up, you come over that place, and here you just need to be actually click over this business profile setting. Once you click over here, then as you can see we have bunch of other options like people and access. Then here we have advanced setting, then we have link account. So you can go through these options, and here you can add any person to here, like add or edit or remove people's access to business profile. Just click over here, add, and then just provide the email address. Let's get given email address over here. So I already have a secondary email, that's why I am going to use that one. Just copy the link address and then I will send it here. And now eventually here I am going to give the access, like here select the role you would like to grant this person to manage this business profile on search and maps. You can change it at any type. So here you can give it the manager one, where you can make changes to business profile on Google search and maps. Also you can provide the owner access, like they can or he can edit, add people, and transfer ownership the business profile on search engine maps. So you can do it this kind of thing. Once you select the thing, then you just need to click over here invite. Once you did, then the invitation already been sent it here, and here you can see that the age and you receive an invitation. So this is the easiest way to transfer your ownership of your business profile easily within a second or a click. So I hope you understand how you can transfer Google Business Profile to another account. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.